Chitchat English.
Beginners Level A1.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work in a shop.
Can I have some water?
Yes, here you go.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is over there.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
How much is this?
It is $20.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every day.
What's your favorite sport?
I like football.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few good friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like making pasta.
Do you go shopping often?
Yes, I go shopping once a week.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I buy them at the market.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't drive a car.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Do you like the winter?
Yes, I like the snow.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Is it raining now?
No, it's not raining.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do every morning?
I eat breakfast and go to work.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like books or movies more?
I like movies more.
Do you enjoy studying English?
Yes, I enjoy learning new words.
Do you like your city?
Yes, it's a beautiful place.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Elementary level A2.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What size are you?
I'm a medium.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here's the menu.
Can I have some water, please?
Still or sparkling water.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, I'll bring it right away.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure, do you have an ID?
How can I transfer money?
You can do it online or at the counter.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, it's just outside the bank.
What's the exchange rate for euros?
It's $1.10 per euro.
Is this the line for the tickets?
Yes, this is the right line.
Where can I check in?
Check-in is at counter 12.
How much luggage can I take?
You can take 20 kilograms for checked baggage.
Where is gate B14?
It's to your left, near the coffee shop.
Where can I find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand outside the station.
Can you take me to the train station?
Sure, it'll take about 15 minutes.
Where is the library?
It's on the second floor of this building.
What time does the class start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Can I borrow books from here?
Yes, you need a library card.
How do I register for the course?
You can register online.
When are the exams?
They are scheduled for next month.
Can I speak to the manager?
Sure, I'll call them for you.
When is the next meeting?
It's on Thursday at 3 p.m.
Can you help me with this project?
Yes, I'd be happy to help.
Where is the photocopy machine?
It's in the corner, next to the printer.
Can you tell me where the nearest bus stop is?
It's about 10 minutes on foot.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one on Main Street.
Can you help me clean the house?
Yes, I'll start with the kitchen.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having pasta.
Can you turn off the lights?
Sure, I'll do it now.
Where did you put the keys?
They're on the table.
Where can I buy bread?
You can buy bread at the bakery.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in a small town near the city.
What should I wear today?
Wear a jacket, it's a bit cold outside.
Do you often check the weather forecast?
Yes, especially before traveling.
Do you often visit the doctor?
No, only when I'm feeling unwell.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you like eating healthy food?
Yes, I eat lots of vegetables and fruits.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go 3 times a week.
Who cleans the house?
We share the cleaning duties in my family.